Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favourites. What really gave me so much hope for wigs was this company. So to be bringing another one, I'm just so happy. And it is, of course, HairCube. I love HairCube. They're such a good price. You get good quality. They're easy to play around with, and 9 times out of 10 I do find with HairCubes that you can just pop it on and just go. But this one is a bit of a lace, so we'll see how we go, but let's have a little look at it. So pulling this little beauty out the bag, we have wig cap, the fair shade. Got a little leaflet instruction here as well. So it says blonde unicorn, how to wear the wig, clean the wig and care for your wig. These pictures, they are actually really handy, they're worth a read. And then you have this long number, so lacing over the top, bit of packaging inside. That is the lace at the front, so it's one of those little square box ones at the front there. Inside is like that. Breathable cap, which is great. You can get your fingers straight through it, which I love. And the hair feels really nice and soft. Feels quite thick. Feels very thick actually. Nice and bouncy. So I'm just going to take the tag off. At the back we also have the adjustable straps there as well. I've just put them into how I want them when I put it onto my head, and I'm going to put it on. All hair securely in this little cap. I'm now going to put this little beauty on and see what she looks like. This one doesn't have any like clips or anything, but as I've said previously, I've got so many of them. I can add them if I want to. I'm just going to try and line up that front bit to where I want it. It fits perfectly. It's got a good stretch on it as well, and I've got it on tight on the adjustments. It's not overlapping my ears. Just pull that over. So this is what it looks like straight out of the bag. I love the waves. They're really bouncy, and you know, this reminds me of the Gigi wig that I got from Lulabelle's, which was 3 times the price of this one. That's what it reminds me of. It's a bit blonder than that one. That was more like a golden blonde, but this is so similar. The way it curls, the way it feels, the way it bounces. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the colour. So the lace here, this is what it looks like at the top. It needs something. It needs something. It needs a pluck. I'm going to cut this lace in just a sec. I could probably do that with the wig on, to be fair. It doesn't need that. It really doesn't need that. I'll be honest, it does not need that lace at all at the front whatsoever, because it's not like it's glue downable. Do you know what I mean? It's like, because the lace isn't going all the way around, it's only here. It's just not working. It's not working. That's not needed. It would be perfectly fine to just not have it or make the lace go round. But I mean, it looks gorgeous. I love this. I'm going to pop on some dry shampoo for this little bad boy, and I'm going to do it on this side and see. This colour is actually really good for when it comes to dry shampoo, because it's like an ashy blonde that when you put the dry shampoo on, it mattes it without it making it look like you've made it go grey. Whereas when you have a darker root, which I do like a darker root because it matches my sides, the dry shampoo can make it look grey. So this works better with this kind of shade. So I've just done one side just to see if there is a difference. It has made a difference. So I'm just going to go and fire it in there. I like to lift the hair up and get it right in between, otherwise you just get splotches. The one thing I love, well, not the one thing I love this wig, but the one thing I really love about this wig is that it's stylable at the front. It's not set into a way where you can't maneuver it to where you want it. So just flicking it over, like that's how it is. And then I've just gone, and it's staying. It's not like giving me a high straight up bend where it's so fitted to be that way. It's actually, it's flowing with how I'm maneuvering the wig. The root also is not just at the front. So I've done one previously from Shein where the wig it was gorgeous, but the shading was only at the front and it wasn't further back. So when you did go like that, and it was pointed out in the comments, which was rightly so, that it should go further back. This one does. So you've got the root as well all the way through. I really love this. It's gorgeous. But I think, I'm not going to do it just yet because I've got some reels to make for this. I've got over on my Instagram and my TikTok, I like to do some reels for wearing these out and about in a different kind of way, like entertainment purposes. But what I would like to do is blend in a fringe. Not a fringe, but like a layered kind of, something that's going to feather in with these waves here, just to bring that down a bit, because I feel like the lace bit, I mean, I could glue that, but I don't think it's going to hold in place because it is such a small area. I feel like that bit of lace is just not needed. I think they'd be better off without it. But it doesn't ruin the wig for me. It's got a lot of potential and I really, really love this. So I will link this one down below. Tracks, I haven't done tracks, so let's do the tracks. I don't know if you can see them. Well, I never do because it's back in my head, but anyway. This one is absolutely gorgeous and I haven't noticed like shedding. There's no hairs all over me. I haven't been pulling them off going, oh, there's a hair. So I think this one's made really, really well. And the colouring's really natural as well. It looks like you've got a nice, you know, you've had your hair done at the salon kind of blonde. I've got a bit of a tangle going on here, but then I haven't brushed it. And the reason for that is because I can't find my brush. But there we have it, another HairCube wig, and I love them. I love HairCube so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link this down below. And if you want to see more frequent uploads, then head over to my Instagram at Gabrielle Wore and on my TikTok, which is Touch of French, which are linked down below. So go and check them out. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you stick around and I will see you in my next one. Bye.